So now let's do an exercise called supine leg extension. I'm going to have you take hold of your little ball, and this can be a pinky ball or a tennis ball, whatever you have, and go ahead and place it between your knees. Make sure it's on the fleshy part on the inside of your knees, not on the bone. And then from here, you're just going to find that neutral pelvic position that we've talked about before. So your tailbone is going to be heavy on the mat. Your lumbar spine is very light. And the front of your hip bones and your pubic bone are on the same horizontal plane. And you're just going to draw your navel in towards your spine, soften your ribs, tuck the chin slightly so the back of the neck is long, and the arms will rest alongside your body. So from here, we're going to extend one leg at a time out and away from the body, still hugging onto your ball and not letting the pelvis move in response to the movement of the leg. So you'll take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, you'll draw your navel in toward your spine, squeeze the ball between the knees, and then begin to lengthen your right leg out. And as the leg lengthens out, you want to make sure the thighs are still parallel to one another. If the extending leg lowers a bit, you're going to lose the grip of the ball. And now that you have this weighted leg that's reaching out and away from you, it's really important that you pull your abdominals in so that the pelvis doesn't tip forward with the leg. And then slowly bend your right knee, draw your right foot back to the floor. Let's do this again. Take a deep breath and exhale, navel to spine. Go ahead and squeeze that ball even more and reach the right leg along. Inhale, bend the knee with control. And exhale. Lengthen the leg. Let's do this twice more on this side. And one more time. Excellent. Readjust your ball if you need to. Excellent. Now let's do the left side. So we take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, draw the navel in. Hug that ball even more between the knees and extend your left leg out and away from you. And slowly bend the knee. Weight on both feet. Take a deep breath. And then exhale. Reach out. So even though you have that left leg reaching out, still be connected with that right side of your body. Feel that right foot firmly planted into the floor, providing stability for the movement of the left leg. Let's do this 3 more times. Soft ribs. And slowly, slowly lower. Whew, okay. I don't know about you, but I can feel my inner thighs engaged after that exercise. Really good. It's not easy to keep that ball in place. Okay, so now go ahead and just bring your legs and feet together. And we're going to work on maintaining this neutral pelvic position. But I now want you to make sure that you bring some attention to your shoulders. So while we're here with the palms of the mat, just shrug your shoulders towards your ears. And then reach your fingertips towards your feet. Inhale, shrug your shoulders towards your ears. And reach towards your feet. So feel how the upper trap muscles engage as you draw your shoulders towards your ears. And then as you reach towards your feet, feel how the lat muscles pull your shoulder blades down your back. Let's just do this twice more. One more time. Good. Now, I want you to, the only reason why I added this exercise was just so that you can feel this connection to the upper back and how in Pilates, we try to keep the shoulders down away from the ears as we move the arms. So this next exercise is called supine arm swings. So I'm going to have the palms face one another and I'm going to lift my arms up to the sky. So with my arms up towards the sky, my hands and my arms are shoulder width apart, and my shoulder blades are pulling down the back. So I don't have my shoulders in my ears like earrings. They're pulling down the back, so my shoulder blades draw down towards my back pockets of my pants. Now from here, I'm just going to reach my right arm back towards my ear. My left arm is going to reach forward towards my hip. And I'm just going to pause here. Now make sure that your arms are just hovering off of the mat. With my right arm over my head, the weight of the arm, if not engaged in the center of your body, will distort the placement of the spine and the ribs. If I weren't engaged in my abs, my back would arch and I would lift my rib cage away from the floor. Pull the abdominals in, anchor your back ribs down towards the mat, and plug your right shoulder blade down the back, again, shoulder blade in your back pocket. Arms lift up towards the sky. Shoulder blades are heavy. Take a deep breath. Exhale as your arms switch. Now my left arm is reaching back towards the wall behind me. Right arm is reaching towards my feet. Again, pulling my abdominals in, anchoring the ribs. Still having my tailbone be heavy towards the floor. Inhale, lift both arms. Exhale. Force all the breath out through that imaginary straw. Deepen your abdominals in and up. And then I lift both arms. Inhale. Exhale, reach. Let's do 2 more passes. Inhale, lift both arms. And exhale, reach the left arm back, right arm forward. Lift both arms up to the sky, and then float both arms all the way down to the mat. All right.